Alright guys, today we have an issue problem. You can see the engine is running, the tach is going, but I have no odometer. This is related, from what I researched, not the check engine light. If I drive it, will come on and it will be for a vehicle speed sensor, but because the speedometer is not going to move. But since the odometer is missing, it's actually possibly a different problem, and then we'll get into that. Alright. The odometer will come back when the temperature in the car goes down. Right now it's very warm in here, sitting in the sun, and it only happens when it's very hot in the car. Alright, I got the speedometer separated, and what we're looking for is that right there, that little blue piece. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, that little blue ceramic right there. That little blue ceramic resonator. I was able to get some online. The place I normally like to get it from, Lozier, well, it's obsolete now. So this is what I ordered. I got two just in case, okay? And hopefully that cures it. Like I said, it only is a problem. The odometer only fails. Speedometer, odometer only fails when it gets really, really hot inside the car. So, it's not a speed sensor issue. It has to be something on this board, and right now that's what I'm leaning towards. So we're going to unsolder it, and those the places right here. I'm going to use either the wick or the and give it my best shot. All right, let's go for it. All right, it's finally hot enough. Let's see. There we go, that's one. Let's try the next one. Oh, not too bad. Let's try the last one here. Okay, let's see if that's loose. Then I'm going to use the wire wick to clean it up. A little bit around there. I don't know if you can see it, but okay, I think that should do it. Let's look under the microscope and just be sure here. Yeah, that's pretty good. Yeah, they bent the tabs over, so I'm gonna have to unbend it and get rid of the rest of the solder around it. I think I should be able to do it. But yeah. Alright, let me take care of that. Okay, I got it out. I cleaned up the holes, and now I'm going to take one out and line it up and set it up to solder in place, okay? Alright, I have the new one mounted inside. I don't know if you can see that. And I bent the tabs back, and now I'm just going to solder it in place and hope for the best. Let's go. Let's get some solder. Let's put a little bit of flux on there. Okay, I've got it soldered in place. Looks kind of nice, not too bad, nice and clean. And there it is. Okay, so we're going to mount it, and we'll have to wait for the first heat cycle of the vehicle, and then I'll see if it works. But we'll get back to that, okay? Alright guys, we're going to try it out. It's hot. It's been the car's been sitting in the sun all afternoon. And we're going to see, does it work? And look, the temperature gauge, it says high because it reached that. But this is boiling, but the odometer works now, even in this heat. So I think that is a good fix. And that little ceramic resonator, it was the fix. So, thank you for watching our video. Thank you for subscribing, and have a great day, guys. Take care. Bye now.